Hi everybody, welcome to आज का Trinkerr Talks. I have Arrush sir with me. He is young, he's famous, he's on TV, he's on Twitter, he's on Telegram. हर जगह उनकी फॉलोइंग बढ़ती जा रही है. He's also now on Trinkerr Talks. तो उनसे अभी हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आज के मार्केट में क्या हुआ एंड आने वाला. अभी कल तो Friday is gonna be an off, but both for US markets, Indian markets, so it's gonna be a long weekend. But we'll try to understand what is gonna happen. What does he think? What is his analysis? कि मंडे को what is going to happen. So, sir, the mic is all yours. Please tell us what does the analysis say.
So basically, Vishu, we have been bouncing off strongly from the important mark of 16,800, which was like Lakshman Rekha for a start of a fresh trend. So we chose the direction of a bounce back. Otherwise, it could have been a breakdown, but because now US markets also turned up sharply, and we also rebounded quite sharply, and there was a big divergence between Indian markets and US markets. So that had to close off, and FIs also are also covering the positions. So even yesterday, they had 1,49,000 short contracts that got reduced to 1 lakh short contracts. So the short covering rally is good, is happening, and RBI also came out with positive commentary saying that banking system is resilient and strong, whereas US markets and also he highlighted that there are concerns in the global markets, etc. But we did pretty well. We are outperforming the global markets since some time, and that's our nature. Our markets are usually very sensitive. They react too much on the upside and react too much on the downside as well. So we are like small cap stock in a global market space. So right now the trend has been strong on the upside, small cap, mid caps, and Nifty, Bank Nifty. But right now we are also trading at resistance level of 41,000, 42,000 on Bank Nifty, and 17,600, 18,000 is resistance on the Nifty. So right, so now the local event of RBI meeting is over. So now we'll look for clues from the global markets, wherein you have a lot of data getting released till Wednesday. So almost 3 days, certain data are coming. So market would react to that data, and trend would be decided on basis of that. But if you look at the charts, and if you talk from stock specific point of view, then we had a very weak closing today, wherein ICICI Bank closed at low of the day. Axis Bank also performed badly in banking space, and then the large caps like Reliance did pretty much okayish, closing up with 0.6% of gain. But IT stocks, dragged the market, wherein TCS, Infosys did poorly after a stellar rally since last 2-3 days. So now market breadth is divided. Few days back it was completely in favor of the bulls. Now it's pretty divided. You're seeing some correction in certain pockets, more predominantly in the IT space, and banking space. It's pretty much divided. So the major deciding trend would be above 18,000. It would be a fresh bull market, but if we resist from there and come down below, then probably again we can start some correction from those levels. And on the downside, if 16,800 is broken, which is far away as of today, but if that is broken, then you can see a very steep correction right now. And I look at markets from various lenses, like technical point of view, derivatives, global macros. So technically, this weekly closing is positive, but if you look from macro point of view, then things are not looking so great. Wherein we heard that there are record withdrawals from various global banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, etc. And smaller banks are in a bad shape also. So so I think macros are not in a great shape. Although the Fed wanted that economy should face some heat, face some pain. So now the jobs data, which was released yesterday, that pain is getting reflected. the numbers were not encouraging. So Fed is now slowly getting the results which they wanted to get. Like they wanted the economy to slow down, inflation to heat, inflation to slow down. The heating inflation, which was almost at 40 years high. Now probably some results are started reflecting. So if the data is in accordance with what Fed wants, then probably the market would anticipate that Fed would not hike so aggressively, Fed wouldn't be so hawkish. So that would be positive for the market, although negative for the economy. So that's my full bird eye view on the markets as of now.
Absolutely brilliantly puts up, बहुत concise and yet very comprehensive. Kudos to you. एक बार सर, if possible, चार्ट खोल के थोड़े बहुत सपोर्ट्स एंड रेजिस्टेंसेस आपको टेक्निकली कहाँ दिख रहे हैं? कैन वी सी दैट?
Yeah. Yeah, on which stock or
Nifty
index
Bank
or
Nifty
what?
we can discuss maybe, sir.
So as I said, in Nifty, the resistance level on my system is 17,750, 17,800, although which can be extended 1,200 points, so 18,000. So I think around 18,000 markets wouldn't be a great bullish opportunity. There wouldn't be the place to go long with appropriate risk reward, keeping risk reward in the mind. And for Bank Nifty, as I said, right now we are looking at an resistance point. 41,000, 41,200 is the resistance point. But if the global markets are good, then probably this can get extended till 41,700, so 42,000 roughly. So market can yo-yo around these levels. And if 42,000 is respected as a resistance, then probably from there market can again reverse down on the downside.
Beautiful, beautiful. So, this was it straight from the expert's mouth. Thank you so much, Arush sir, for taking out time and sharing your analysis with us. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this video once again. We'll be back again with more experts, including Arush sir again. Stay tuned for that. Thank you again, sir.
Thank you, Vishu. It's always a great opportunity to interact with you and share my ideas and share my inputs on Trinkerr.
Glad, sir. Thank you.